If you have little ones at home, this book set is a must-have. So this is called Team Supercrew. We read this to our kids almost every single night. My 4-year-old is obsessed. My 6-year-old loves them also. Really good for helping just deal with emotions, understand their emotions, and figure out how to regulate too. And as a parent, I learn a lot as well. So we have Chloe the Calm in the Bedtime Blues. This is a really good one, especially if you have kids like mine that never want to go to bed at night. So it kind of teaches like, but if you go to bed, here's all the positive things that are going to happen the next day. And you're not missing out on things. It's all good. So I love that one. We have Benny the Brave in the First Day Jitters, which any kid when they're going, whether it's preschool, kindergarten, first grade, to school for the first time, it can be really scary. So this one talks about that. Very relatable to the age group. We have Keisha the Kind in My Little Sister situation. Anyone who has siblings, this is the perfect book. And then we have Jen the Grit in I Quit, which is a really cute story about soccer and some of the fears kids have with being part of a team sport. So I just love how it validates their feelings and says, yeah, that does sound frustrating, but what if? And then gives alternate ways to handle it. I've learned a lot. It's written in such a beautiful way. It's totally on your kids' level, which is amazing. And it's illustrated so nice and colorful and cute as well. And then it all fits perfectly together in this little box set. So you can keep them all organized and take them out every night. Read all of them. Maybe you just read one of them. This is such a good set of books. And I think you need to get it if you have little ones.